now we're heading back. See where the axis is. So this will be the loop back to this place. And then right up here is the other side that we turned in originally. Let me show you the approach. So you can see here's public access, then this right here, and I don't even know what lake that is, but there looks like a boat ramp right there. And one of the things I was going to show you is the entrance to Pleasant Ridge. State wildlife area. There was one on the other side too. You can kind of see the lake back through there too. It's a good sized lake. And right coming up here, one of these turns on the right. You can see here now, this is Second Crowing, which I can get to by boat. And I know there's a public access. I've seen it along this side. And right, one of these turns here, I think this is it here. This goes up to Pleasant Ridge Resort. So they've got cabins to rent, pretty reasonable too. So if you ever had company or guests and wanted a place for them, they could stay there. Then you can see it breaks out pretty quickly here. There's a fair amount of farmland scattered out here, but anytime you get near the lakes, it's heavily wooded. So from your place to this turn is probably 3/4 of a mile, I would say. And then at this point, you can see the ditches are beaten down. People ride these ditches. I ride from here to my place. So it's a mile up and then a right for about 2.5 miles, and then a left into the lake area I'm at. But then this trail goes down. I won't go there now, but about 3 miles you're at Huntersville. And I said that's a state park with a bar, kind of a bar restaurant, and gas you can get there. It's also there's a service that does like inner tubes and canoes and so forth. We can rent canoes and they'll take you, drop you off, and so forth. So anyway, we'll talk.